I am a leader.
I plan my daily schedule.
I strive to do my best.
I am determined.
I am generous.
I am patient.
I solve problems peacefully.
I am learning to be independent.
I learn from my mistakes.
I am mindful.
I am enthusiastic. My teacher is my guide.
I am self-disciplined.
I teach myself using fun materials.
I am courageous.
I respect my environment.
I am compassionate. I am responsible for myself.
I am thankful.
We are part of a community.
I am flexible.
I am capable.
I am a Montessori student.
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 I am a Montessori student.